To get the most out of your ultimate driving machine, a performance suspension system is an integral part of the puzzle. The BILSTEIN B16 adjustable coilovers are German-engineered and embody technology tested and tuned at the famed Nürburgring. Inverted monotube design, both front and rear, offers increased piston surface area and sturdy construction. Featuring ride height adjustability and a 10-stage compression and rebound damping system, tuning your ride and damping characteristics is as easy as the turn of a knob. BILSTEIN is a leader in delivering OE quality, direct fit designs engineered for easy installation. After removal of the original springs and dampers, OE top mounts are used with the B16 system. With the original front struts removed, the B16 coilover can be affixed to the strut tower and then seated in the spindle. Direct fitment means no cutting, grinding, or other modifications necessary. All that is remaining is to torque all hardware to manufacturer specs. B16 suspension is specifically tuned to your car's individual needs, with application-specific valving and spring rates. Rear dampers also use the BMW top mounts. However, new B16 coil springs are placed in the lower control arm pockets for sporty, application-specific rates. With the new B16 suspension installed, the 3 Series is set up perfectly for the enthusiastic driver who values performance and ride quality for everyday use to on-track excursions. When you grow weary of the Autobahn and the curves are calling, BILSTEIN suspension will take you there. Adjustable damping means you choose the setting, from your daily commute to the curbs and tarmac of the world's racetracks. B16 coilover suspension is your passport to performance. Drive the legend.